While toning the legs and stretching the hamstrings, revolving triangle is a wonder asana used to release the spine and invigorate the abdominal organs. Please remember to consult your physician before starting any new practice. Step the right leg forward. And imagine there's a line through the middle of the mat. So you have one foot on one side of the line and the other foot on the other side of the line. Right palm onto the hip. Inhale, reach up nice and high. Exhale, reach forward. Take the palm in line with the right foot. And you can stay right here, or if you can't reach the ground, you can put a bolster or a brick or something to place the palm on. And then inhale, we're going to gently twist, reach the right palm up, reaching nice and high, looking up to the fingertips. If this brings any pain to the neck, then you can gently look down to the ground. To come out of the pose, inhale, take the palm up, and exhale, release.